What if I told you that the version of you who is already confident, abundant, and completely free exists right now in a parallel reality, just waiting for you to catch up? Welcome to Arcane, where today we are diving deep into the mystery and science behind quantum jumping, the art of shifting timelines and entering your desired reality through the power of energy, emotion, and a total identity transformation. This isn't just theory. This is a complete guide blending ancient wisdom with modern science. You'll learn how reality shifting actually works, what keeps you trapped in old, frustrating patterns, and most importantly, how to align your personal vibration to make that quantum jump into the life you've always dreamed of. Think about it. Every possible version of you already exists in the quantum field. The only thing that determines which timeline you experience is your focus and your frequency. So, get ready to learn how to reprogram your identity, break free from emotional addictions, and finally move from just wishing for a better life to truly embodying your future self. First, let's clarify what quantum jumping really means. It's not about physically traveling through space or time. It's about intentionally shifting your consciousness from one version of yourself to another, the version that already has everything you desire. It's about changing your vibrational state to match the frequency of that desired reality. When you tune your thoughts, your emotions, and your energy to that higher version of yourself, the external world has no choice but to rearrange itself to mirror that new vibration. In simple terms, you don't chase your dream reality, you become it. You're ready to try it? Here's a step-by-step method to make your first quantum jump. Step 1. Define your desired reality. Be crystal clear about the version of you that already exists there. What do they think? How do they feel? What actions do they take? Every single day. Write it all down. Step 2. Visualize with emotion. Close your eyes and truly feel that reality. Don't just see it in your mind's eye. Experience it as if it's real right here, right now. Feel the joy, the peace, the success in every cell of your body. Step 3 is to shift your identity. Start acting, speaking, and making decisions as if you are already that person. This is the crucial step that locks in the new vibration. Step 4. Release resistance. Let go of all the doubt, the fear, and the impatience. The jump happens when your old, limiting identity loses its power over you. And finally, step 5. Anchor your new reality. Use daily affirmations, meditation, or mirror work to stabilize this new frequency and make it your default state. Each time you practice this, you collapse an old timeline and enter a new one that aligns perfectly with your chosen frequency. So, how do we use emotion and identity to supercharge this shift? Emotion is the fuel of manifestation. Your subconscious mind doesn't respond to logic. It responds to feeling. If you can generate the feeling of joy, confidence, and gratitude before your desire even appears in your physical world, you magnetize that vibration in the quantum field. Hold that emotion long enough, and your very identity begins to shift. The moment your identity changes, your reality follows instantly. The secret is to stop asking, "When will it happen?" and start declaring, "It is already done." Here is the fundamental truth about parallel reality manifestation. You are not creating something new out of thin air. You are simply tuning into what already exists. In the quantum field, infinite realities coexist simultaneously. Every possible version of you, every possible outcome you can imagine, is already there. Your focus acts like a radio dial. Wherever your attention and energy go, that timeline becomes your experience. This is why self-doubt keeps you stuck in the same loop, while unwavering belief and alignment effortlessly shift you to a better version of reality. And if things start to feel a bit chaotic or uncomfortable, that's actually a good sign. Discomfort and chaos are proof that your timeline shift is working. Reality only shifts when your energy moves, not when you stay comfortable in your old patterns. When your thoughts, feelings, and actions become coherent and aligned, the universe must reflect that new reality back to you. Whether you call it parallel reality shifting, a spiritual timeline shift, or quantum manifestation. This is your roadmap to real, tangible transformation. You can create your own parallel reality right now. There's no waiting, no luck, involve just frequency. Are you ready to make the jump? Comment below, I'm ready to jump. If this resonated with you, please like this video, share it with someone who is ready to shift their reality, and subscribe to Arcane for more deep insights on quantum methods. Thank you for watching.